What is good, guys, and welcome back to another FTD video. Today is another maintenance video. Today is a pretty much simple install, another quick 2-minute snippet of an interior cabin air filter. If you don't know what this is, which 9 times out of 10 people don't, which I honestly didn't even know either until I started looking for air filters for the regular intake in the front. This filter pretty much filters out all the allergies, all the bacteria, all the gunk, and all the basically germs that come into your car while you are driving. So it is a good idea to check up on it. We're gonna go ahead and switch that out on this car. First things first, we're gonna go ahead over the tools that you need, and only thing you need is just the filter itself and obviously 2 hands. We will go ahead and show you how to switch it out right now. So first things first, the air filter is located right behind this glove box. You're gonna go ahead and open this. I am gonna empty this out because there's way too many things in here. So let's fast forward and do that real quick. All right, now that we have it pretty much empty, so you're gonna see these 2 pieces right here and this side right here. Go ahead, and as you see, it pushes inwards. It already popped in, so push that in and push this in, and then it'll just go down just like so, giving you access to the air filter cabin right here, which is essentially, there is a clip on the side right here, as you can see where my finger is pointing. Just push that inwards, and then you will go ahead and push the other side inwards, and this thing will just slide out like so. So pretty much once you do that, you will slide this out, and then boom, as you can see, this air filter is disgusting. It is old, and then wow, there's a lot of debris on this cake. Let's go ahead and see a little bit closer. Look at that, there's a lot of trash in here, and this looks worn out. That is disgusting. No wonder it's not filtering anything. So that's bad. But pretty much you're gonna be left with this tray right here. So then we're gonna go ahead and install that real quick. But yeah, look at all that debris that's caught in between these. Like, this is basically not filtering anything anymore. See how dirty this is. So now that you have the new filter out, pretty much you're gonna go ahead and see how there's like a little borderline right there, how it's thicker and thinner. So we're gonna go ahead and pretty much just line this up in here. Simple enough. Make sure it slides in on the bottom piece right here. You could check just like so, where it's all the way in. So once you get it in the little slots, you're gonna go ahead, just simple enough, put it back into the little cubby area right there. Just push it in, clip it, and then same thing with this. Just go ahead and push that in, and closes, and you're good to go. So I forgot to put the outro in this video, but yeah, that's pretty much all you need to do to install a K&N interior cabin air filter for the 2006 to 2011 Honda Civic, at least. It's pretty sure it's probably pretty similar to other cars, but for the most part, it's as simple as that. Behind the glove box, and take it out, swap out the filter, all that good stuff. So with that being said, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe if you haven't down there. I appreciate the love from you guys. And wanted to tag this in real quick that I am thinking about doing a giveaway. I had thought about to do a certain item, so stay tuned for that. We are gonna announce the giveaway sometime soon, within the next video or 2 probably. Doing it for the 100 subscribers. I know it's not a lot, but it means a lot that 100 people actually even subscribe to this channel. So I wanted to give back to you guys, at least do something. I don't know what yet, just entirely, but I will announce it. So stay tuned. Follow my Instagram though if you haven't already. I'll probably announce it there before I do it on this YouTube right here if you haven't. And yeah, I'll catch you guys later.